Ultrathin stainless steel silicon steel. Precision alloys. Aluminum foil. The rolling of these high-end materials all depends on one key component. Cold rolling rolls. Jiangyin Eternal specialize in forged steel cold rolling rolls, using high-grade materials CR to CR3 and CR5. Refined by electroslag remelting SR. With a forging ratio of more than 3 to ensure purity and density in every roll. Forging gives the rolls a dense internal structure, excellent strength and toughness, outstanding wear resistance, and fatigue resistance, which is the fundamental reason they can serve as the core in rolling ultra-thin stainless steel, silicon steel precision alloys, and other high-end materials. After forging, spheroidizing, annealing and quenching tempering treatments improve the core toughness. After rough turning, surface induction hardening brings the roll surface hardness to 85-95 SHAS. With a hardened layer depth of 1,530 mm, this armor makes the rolls wear resistant and accident resistant. Finally, every roll undergoes ultrasonic inspection in accordance with ASME A388 to ensure zero internal defects. Our cold rolling rolls are suitable for 2 high, 4 high, 6 high, 12 high, 18 high, and 20 high cold rolling mills. Rolling ultra-thin stainless steel, silicon steel precision alloys, copper alloys and aluminum foil, from SR. Ingot to finished product. Every roll is made for ultimate performance.